In this video, we will show you how to replicate this grid of features using a CBB repeater block. Here is the block we are going to create in this tutorial. Let's use it to quickly build a demo grid. Because it's a synced overrides block, you can easily input content without worrying about messing up the style. You can easily build this feature grid using only core layout blocks. However, using a repeater block is much easier for users to input repeating content. In the next part, we will show you how to create this repeater grid block step by step from scratch. Start by creating a new block. Input inner blocks as writing a post. Enable the repeater setting to create a repeater block. Choose the layout and input attributes for the repeater block. We need a default variation to input the default layout and style for the item block. You can create multiple variations of your block to provide different preset styles. Enable the responsive spacing support feature to input different padding values for different screen sizes. Turn on the Synced Block Overrides feature. This feature turns a CBB block into a component. It will synchronize the block layout and style across multiple instances. By separating the block layout and style from the block content, it makes it easier to update the layout and style as well as input the content. We could not add different backgrounds to each block item in content-only mode, so we will use a custom CSS variable to set the background for each block. Enable the Custom Attribute Support feature, and define the background attribute. If you don't want to use a custom attribute, you can create multiple block variations for each background color. Add custom CSS code to display the background from the CSS variable. Sometimes, you want to make the buttons align at the bottom of the item. Add hover styles. We've just finished creating a grid repeater block directly in the block editor. As you can see, CBB repeater blocks provide a much better way to display repeating content in WordPress Gutenberg. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos in the future.